Alright guys, we're gonna head out to this fishing spot underneath the bridge on the side of the road. Let's see what we can pull out of it, huh? I'll catch you guys when I'm there. Might be coming in or out, I don't know, but it's in the middle right now. Ooh, really milky, really muddy. All this rain we've been having. Looks like it's ripping. What's in the magic school bus bucket? Oh. Some of them. We got some shiners, we got some bluegills, all different sizes and shapes. Put them right there so easy to access. Let's get to fishing, y'all. It's not too deep here, so you don't want too much stuff or you'll get stuck on the rocks. It's pretty shallow here, so you don't want too much or you'll get stuck in these rocks. There we go, let me get one of these pretty baits. Let's go with this big guy. They stay calmer if you cover them up and they don't jump out. Here we go, boys. Let's see if there's anything home. Ooh, strong bait. Strong bait this one is. I think that one's getting taken. Here we go. Uh-oh. I think something might have that fish. I think I might be on this pool, guys. Alright. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, something got it, boys. Here it goes. So hopefully we get it. Get a better angle. Get a better angle. Oh wow, that's a big fish, boys. That's a big fish, boys. Oh, look at that monster. Whoa, what is this? Look at that gar. Oh, big old baits, guys. Let me try to reel in this pole. Keep touching. Big old gar, guys. Big old gar. I got 2 poles in my hand. Big old gar. What the hell? Oh, he's pulling. Okay. I have to walk over here. I have to walk over here with them, guys. Holy crap. Big old gar. Alright. Here he goes. That's a big old gar, guys. Oh. Big old gar, guys. Let me try to set you up real fast. Oh. She's pulling me, y'all. Oh, there goes a fight. Big old gar, guys. I'll try to get him in for y'all. Oh. Here he comes. Here he comes. Come on. Oh my gosh. Okay. He's gonna freak out. Big old gar. Look at this dinosaur. Look at this gar, y'all. Look at this Florida gar. Let me get upset. Let me set up. So much going on. All right, boys, let me show you this so I can get him back in. Big old Florida Gator gar. Look at this monster, guys. Look at this monster gar. Needle nose gar. Look at that hand. Here, let me get a picture. See that, guys? Look at that Florida gar. Thank you to the Lord, we caught something cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna put him back. Let me show you that. All right, boys, let's get this release footage. One more good look, boys. Florida gar, there you go. There he goes, guys. Ooh. There he goes. Big old Florida Gator gar. See if we can't get something cool. Let's see if we can't get something else. All right, boys, that was a Florida Gator gar. Long-nosed Gator gar. Look, I gotta clean that when I get home. I don't know if you can see it. His teeth got me right there. They're pretty cool, man. Thank the Lord we caught that one. That was pretty cool. I'm gonna set you guys out this way. Just got taken up. Let me get between this line. Just got taken up, boys. There we go. There we go. Baby Snook, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Whoa! I got him, don't worry. Let me get this hook out so I'll get hooked. Baby Snook, y'all. Look at that one. I'll come show y'all. No. I got him. He's getting killed. I didn't want to kill him. He's a little baby though. Redfish yesterday, Snook today, guys. How about that one? Just throw him back. I would give him to you if he was bigger, but he's too small to eat. Yep. There you go, guys. Alright, boys, last fish, we gotta let him eat it. Here we go, boys. Oh, big old bass, y'all. Big old bass. Look at that fish, y'all. Let me get on hook real fast. Alright, boys. Let me see if we're filming. Yep. Alright, boys. Last bait, last fish. How about that one? Big old bass, bro. Look at that big old bass. Here, let me take a picture. Look at that bass, guys. Proper bass. This is brackish water. We're out here catching everything today. And let me see how it looks. Alright, you can't see it. Take you out here and show you this bass. Alright boys, just caught this pretty big bass. Florida largemouth bass. Look at that mouth. Look at that mouth. Big old fish. Let's put him back. He's ready. Last fish, last bait. There you go. That's pretty. Alright guys, let's throw him back. There he goes. Alright boys, we're out of here. What an adventure, huh? So awesome.